My grandfather worked directly for Georg Jensen back in the 20s. He was a real perfectionist. They both were. One day, the King of Denmark stepped into the workshop. He wanted a cigar box made, and my grandfather got the job. He spent a lot of time on that cigar box. A lot of time and a lot of energy. When it was finished, the Queen of Denmark came to the workshop and thanked him personally. My father was also a silversmith at Georg Jensen in the 50s. When I wanted to become a silversmith, my father wasn't so happy about it at first, but I insisted. I really insisted. Now, 27 years later, I have also made things for the royal Danish family. I have made a few gifts from the Queen to her husband. A breakfast dish, a salt ball, and a pepper mill. It took half a year to make, and of course, it just had to be perfect.
I saw it on TV, actually. That's how it began for me. It was some show on TV with these old silversmiths from Georg Jensen, just talking about their work, you know, their craft. And then I just had to try it out myself. I just had to. The fascinating thing about working with silver is you can mold it into any shape you want, just by hand and with a few basic tools. So if you have both the skills and the imagination as well, then there's no limit. There's just no limit. And you can spend a lifetime just exploring all the different possibilities. I'm a silversmith now, but maybe someday I'll be a designer as well. Coming up with my own designs for Georg Jensen. Becoming a part of that tradition, that would really be an honor. A great, great honor. And yet another dream come true.
With this hammer, it takes more than 10,000 blows. I start with a sheet of silver, and after more than 10,000 blows, you got a Henning Koppel fish dish. And you do it all by yourself, just you and your hammer. It takes me half a year of my life to make a single one. And it took me more than 10 years to learn how to make it. It's extremely hard work, a very tough process, but I love it. When I was young, I was very fascinated about American cars. When I started to become a silversmith, I discovered the designs of Henning Koppel and realized the pieces had some of the same lines. These big curves. Timeless, you know. So that became my specialty, and it's been my specialty for 20 years now. And after me, I will pass it on to someone else. And this craftsmanship will live forever.